morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Chalo,
Good
exercise
morning,
completed.
ma'am.
Good morning. Exercise completed.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, आज exercise करनी थी तो only few have attended the class. बाकी सब on leave. And what I said, the students who attend the class, only those attendance, okay, are being marked. जो स्टूडेंट्स क्लास अटेंड करते हैं ना उन्हीं की अटेंडेंस होती है. आप कितना भी भेजते ना, इट हार्डली मैटर्स. अटेंडेंस भेजने से कुछ नहीं होता until and unless you don't attend the class. चलिए एक्सरसाइज करें हम सॉल्व.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What was the first one?
Ma'am, he said to me, I can easily beat you in a long jump.
He said to me, I can easily beat you in the long jump. Okay, okay, okay. So who will answer it?
Ma'am, may I?
Ma'am,
Okay.
may,
रुको राहुल.
Ma'am, may her.
Let me take
ma'am,
somebody new. रुक जाओ राहुल. Shruti Yadav, you answer. श्रुति यादव. अब जब इनका नाम लिया जाता है पहले तो ये सुनते ही नहीं है, फिर कोई एक्सक्यूज दे देते हैं. श्रुति यादव.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
आंसर इट. श्रुति यादव.
Hello. Hello.
वेट हर्ष.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही. माइक म्यूट हो गया आपका.
नहीं, मेरा म्यूट नहीं है, आपका होगा. श्रुति यादव, आंसर इट फास्ट. क्या हुआ श्रुति? मीटिंग ही छोड़ देते हैं, इनके हाल देखो. आयुषी शुक्ला, आंसर इट. See, so many they have left the meeting. Why? Because ma'am is asking them the sentence. The conversion of direct to indirect. Yes, Ayushi Shukla. Answer
Yes,
it
ma'am.
fast. Answer
He
it.
told me that he could easily beat me in the long jump.
What was the sentence? What was there in the direct speech, Ayushi?
He said to me, I can
Yeah.
easily beat you in the long jump.
He said to me. So he told me
That he
Hmm.
could easily beat me in the long jump.
Very good. He told me that he could easily beat me in the long jump. Very
Long
good, Ayushi. Very good. Got everybody? Is it right, Rahul?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So he
Yes,
told
ma'am.
me that
Yes,
he
ma'am.
could easily beat me in the long jump. What was the next one? Next wala kaun sa
Ma'am,
tha?
the prayer said you should love your neighbors as yourself, for God is love.
What was it? The
Ma'am, the teacher said you should love your neighbors as yourself, for God is love.
okay, where is it? Let me see. Where is the sentence? 1 minute. The teacher said you should love your neighbors.
Ma'am, the preacher
The preacher.
said.
Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. I'm not getting it. I don't know from where I had given it to. Yeah, I got it. The preacher said you
preacher
should
ने-
love your neighbor as yourself, for God is love. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So who has done this? Rahul, you are going to answer it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
The preacher told me that I should love my neighbors as myself, for his love.
Okay.
For God is love.
Okay, now see, the preacher is telling to everybody, beta, है ना? He is not telling to a particular person, है ना? वो सबको बोल रहे हैं. So the preacher preached.
Yes, ma'am.
Preacher said नहीं आएगा, preached
Word नहीं
आएगा.
आएगा.
हाँ, इसमें preached आएगा,
ma'am.
reporting verb. कौन सा होगा? Preached. 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 Okay, the
CHED.
preacher
Yes, ma'am.
preached that we should, okay, love our neighbors as ourselves, for God is love. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
एक ये यू मतलब एक ये कॉमन मैसेज दे रहे हैं फॉर एवरीबॉडी. तो आप है ना इसको वन शुड भी लिख सकते हो. वन
मैं
अप्लाई
आपकी आवाज क्लियर नहीं आ रही.
बेटा तो तुम्हारे नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम होगी. मेरे तो सही आ रहा
क्लियर
है.
आ रही है मैम.
इरफान के नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है. तो ये होगा द प्रीचर प्रीच्ड दैट वी शुड लव आवर नेबर्स एज आवरसेल्व्स, फॉर गॉड इज लव. Write it, correct it if it is not correct. Harsh, what happened? You are raising your hand, beta. What happened? Yeah, the admit.
No, ma'am.
So now,
मैम प्लीज रिपीट मैम. मैम आवाज
the
क्लियर नहीं आ रही थी
preacher
आप.
preached. इरफान, आपके प्रॉब्लम है ये. उसको मैसेज कर दो राहुल. उसके नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है. प्लेस चेंज कर ले. वेटिंग रूम दे रहा है बार बार. The preacher preached that we should love our neighbors as ourselves, for God is love. Okay, done.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the next sentence?
Ma'am, the teacher will say the boy was dull.
हाँ, क्या होगा इसका? कौन बताएगा? जल्दी बताओ.
The
साहिल.
teacher would say that.
रुक जा राहुल. दूसरों को भी दे बेटा, मौका दे. है ना? मुझे मालूम है तूने कर लिया. Like a good boy, you have done it. साहिल. साहिल चचला नहीं.
Yes, ma'am.
सुनाई नहीं दिया बेटा? क्या नींदों
Ma'am,
में है
please
क्या?
repeat the sentence. Ma'am.
Why should I repeat? It should be written there in your register. The teacher will say the boy was dull. क्या लिखा आपने? लिखा ही नहीं होगा. लिखा है साहिल?
Ma'am, the teacher said that the boy was dull.
Wrong. This is wrong. Vanshika?
Ma'am, the teachers told that the boy was
नहीं
dull.
बेटा, will say. Will say is what? Reporting verb is in
Would
the
होगा मैम.
future.
Would.
So will say, it will remain
Would
the
से हो जाएगा.
same. It will remain the same. It will remain the same. Will say यानी बोलेंगी तो it will be the same ना. How can you change the reporting
इसमें
verb?
future है.
क्या होगा? Vanshika?
Ma'am, the teacher will say that the boy was dull.
बस simple है. The teacher will say that the boy was dull. समझ गए साहिल?
Yes, ma'am.
Said जब past का past में रहता है तो future और present reporting verb तो same ही रहेगा ना बेटा. Okay,
Yes,
the
ma'am.
next sentence, hurry up, be fast. What is the next
Ma'am,
one?
Mohan said to me, why do you look so sad and gloomy today?
Okay, तो क्या होगा इसका? Who will do Harsh?
Yes, ma'am. Then
Do it,
Mohan
hurry up.
asked to me. Then
हाँ,
Mohan asked to me that
मैं
why I look so sad and gloomy today.
अच्छा ये that क्यों लगाया हमने बेटा? Mohan
No, ma'am,
asked
that's
me
right.
why I looked so sad and gloomy
Sad and gloomy today.
that
Today.
day. Today किस में चला जाएगा? That day. Good.
that
Mohan
day.
asked me why I looked so sad and
Ma'am,
gloomy
your
that
voice is
day.
not.
बेटा ये तुम्हारे नेटवर्क प्रॉब्लम है, मेरी आवाज तो क्लियर जा रही है. प्लेस चेंज कर लो अपनी.
yes ma'am clear है.
हाँ क्लियर है ये, आज नेटवर्क दिक्कत ही नहीं है. नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस.
Ma'am, the teacher said to the student, have ever seen a balloon rising in the sky?
The teacher said to the students.
Have you ever seen a balloon rising
Have
in
you
the
ever
sky?
seen a balloon rising in the sky?
Okay, fine. So क्या होगा? The teacher
The teacher asked us that had we seen a
asked
balloon
the
rising in the
students
sky?
if they had ever seen a
We-
balloon rising in the sky.
Rising in the sky.
हाँ, have had में चला जाएगा ना. The teacher said to the students. The teacher asked the students if they had. Okay. Students क्या हो गए? They हो गए ना. Have, it will be converted into had. If they had ever seen a balloon rising in the, a balloon है या balloons जो भी है वो देख लेना, in the sky. Okay, next one.
A balloon.
अच्छा चलिए next वाला बोलिए.
She said to me, are you going to join the medical and engineering course?
Okay, तो क्या होगा इसका?
She asked to him.
She asked him.
And she asked me.
Ma'am, she asked me
And she
whether I
asked
am
me.
to join the
Ma'am, she
medical or
asked
engineering
to me
course.
whether I am going to join
She
medical or
asked me
engineering.
whether, yeah, if I was going to join.
The medical or engineering course.
Yeah. The teacher asked me. अच्छा, she asked me. Okay, if या whether. You कौन हो गया? I. Whether I was going, क्योंकि past tense है ना, to join the medical or the engineering course. Got it, children? Should I repeat it?
Yes, ma'am.
Next वाला क्या था?
Ma'am,
we
please
had
She
repeat
said
six.
to servant, leave my house
अब
at
बेटा आप
once.
एक साथ बोल रहे हो. I'm not able to get.
She
He
said
said to
to the servant.
She said to
He-
servant.
Said to the servant, leave my
Okay.
house at once.
Okay, okay, okay. क्या होगा?
Ma'am, he commanded the servant to leave his
कमांड नहीं
house
होगा
at
बेटा.
once.
कमांडर कमांड देता है. यहाँ ऑर्डर्ड होगा.
Order.
He ordered his servant. Yeah, he ordered the servant to leave his house at once.
His house at once.
My house लिखा हुआ है ना. Leave my house at once. यही लिखा है ना डायरेक्ट में.
His हो जाएगा.
तो his हो
His हो
जाएगा ना.
जाएगा.
He ordered his servant to leave his house at once. ठीक है.
Yes, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट वाला कितने हो गए?
Ma'am, 7.
7.
बाकी.
चलिए 8th one.
The man said to the judge, pardon my fault, sir.
हाँ. Now who will do it? Ishika, you do it. Ishika, do it बेटा.
Yes, ma'am.
Do this.
Ma'am, the man requests to the judge,
हम्म,
pardon my fault, sir.
अच्छा, ये रिक्वेस्टेड नहीं आएगा, यहाँ पे प्लीज नहीं आ रहा है ना, क्या आ रहा है, वो गिड़गिड़ा रहा है, उसको क्या कहेंगे? द मैन
Ma'am,
Any-
wish to.
हाँ बोलो समीक्षा।
Ma'am, the man wished that.
विश नहीं, और सोचो, और बताओ।
Ask.
द मैन बेग्ड, ओके, समझ में आया? और एक तो बेगिंग होता है भीख मांगना, बेगर्स का है ना, गिड़गिड़ाना, और इसका भी होगा बेग्ड। बेग्ड मतलब गिड़गिड़ाना, प्लीड करना किसी का, गिड़गिड़ाना बुरी तरह से, है ना। तो द मैन बेग्ड द जज टू पार्डन हिज फॉल्ट। गॉट इट? पार्डन का मतलब
Yes, ma'am.
समझते हो
Yes,
ना,
ma'am.
फॉल्ट, उसकी गलतियों को
गिड़गिड़ाना।
माफ करना। हाँ, तो क्या होगा बेटा? द मैन begged the judge to pardon his fault. You can write down, and whatever I am giving you na, that should be written date wise. Okay, समझ में आया बेटा? वापस बोलूं, the man begged the judge to pardon his fault. Ninth one, what is the ninth one?
Ma'am, the captain.
Ma'am, the captain said to
said,
his men, don't allow the enemy to
"Man,
get.
don't allow the enemy to get across."
The captain
Said to his men, "Don't allow the enemy to get across."
so क्या होगा इसका? The captain,
Ma'am, order the captain order.
okay, commanded या ordered, चलो इसमें दोनों चल सकते हैं। Okay, the captain
Ordered the men.
commanded his men, yes,
Not to allow the enemy to get across.
very good Bhumika, not to allow the enemy to get across. Good, very good. Next one, last क्या था?
Ma'am, he said, "Hooray! I have won the match."
He said hooray, I won the match. Okay, इसका क्या होगा?
He exclaimed that
हाँ,
his
he
had
exclaimed
won the
with delight. Okay, with delight हमें लगाना है ना, मतलब खुशी से उसने exclaim करा, or he exclaimed with joy, right, that he had won the
Yes, ma'am.
match. Got it? He exclaimed with delight
Yes, ma'am.
that he had won the match,
Match.
right?
Yes, ma'am.
Got it?
Ma'am, please repeat.
Yes, ma'am.
He
पूरा
exclaimed
complete हो गए
with
थे।
delight that he had won the match. हो गए ना सारे?
Yes, ma'am. 10.
टाइम भी हो गया बेटा, ठीक है? Tomorrow we are going to do something new, right?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank
Yes,
you
ma'am.
beta. God bless you all, everybody.
Thank you, ma'am.
Take
Thank you,
care.
ma'am.
God bless you all.